Hello, people of the internet. What do we have here? 960 Evo M2. Let's unbox this. There's a QR code here. Pause the video if you want to read it. Anyway, the seal is right there. Let's cut it. Bam. It's done. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Very fancy box. Okay. There's the serial number. Anything else? Oh. Okay. So there's the drive. Very small, very attractive, and very nice. Very fast. Piece of great technology right there in my fingers. What else we have here? How can I open this? How can I open this? Okay, like this. Okay. So there's the manual. I think it's a warranty card and some kind of... Yep. Let's plug it and put it aside. We don't need that. Okay. Let's put it to my PC and test it. Wait a minute. I have something here. So I can put it to this Asus Hyper M2 Mini, just like that. Where is it? Just like this. Or I'll have something from China, Yeti for M2. Just yeah, put it on the side. Heat sinks, thermal pads, screwdriver, and some screws. Where is it? There it is. Look. Or I can put it. Come on. Or I can put it right here and use it like this. See? Much better. Very tiny. Easily to remove. You just need to unscrew this and screw it again. Very small piece. Haha! This is it. This is this shit. Okay, let's install it and let's see how fast it is compared to Pro, because I already have the Pro version. Let's do it. Okay, so let's test this disk. A few tests right here. First, let's do the Samsung test. That's the 1TB Pro version. You can see the latest firmware. Evo, the latest firmware, and this 500. Also the latest firmware. I put some files on it already to test it. Let's first test that's the old score. Let's do another one. Let's test the 1TB Pro version. Okay, I will pause the video and we will. Okay, so it's almost end right there, 94%. And let's see the score. The score is bear in mind the disk is almost full, so that's the score. The read and write operation per second is pretty high. That's good. Now let's see a different drive. So what I have to do is how can I do it? Let me change to this. Like you can see, the Pro version is nearly full. That's why the score is so low. Now let's benchmark this one. Let me pause the video. And the score, sorry for the music, is right here. Like you can see, the read is a little low. It's much lower than the Pro version. But the write is basically the same. The read the sequential read and write is excellent on the new drive. Yeah, less IOPS, that's all it's all about. Okay, let's benchmark it with SD bench. Let's just open the two of them. Let's hit the first one and wait a little bit for the ending of this score, because we don't want to do the bottleneck in the motherboard, because when you hit two drives in the same time, the motherboard will be the bottleneck here. Okay, so there is a score for the Pro version, and now the Evo version. Bear in mind the Evo has less files on it, so it's probably be faster with a sequential read. We will see. Okay, so like you can see, the Pro version is a bit faster here. I think it's a lot faster. The score is way bigger than the Evo version. Okay, let's do the Atto benchmark. First, starting with 4K, 4 kilobytes. You can see already 400. Yeah, small files on the Pro version are pretty good. Look. Already 2000 on the read and 2000 on the write, like you can see. More than 2000, almost 3000 right now. On the read. I mean read is 3000. Yep. Okay, so it's pretty good. Like you can see, it's going high. It's going even higher than this. Now let's let me stop here. Let's do it with the Evo version, starting with 4K. Again, the drive, the Pro version is nearly full, so it's always slower when the drive is full. It's also looking very quick. 8 kilobytes, more than 1000. Okay, now the 60. You can see the read is a bit slower here. Don't know why. Look at the read. It's a lot slower. It's only 2000 and in the Pro version it's 3000. Now it's getting higher with bigger files. So like you can see, the small files in the Pro version are much quicker. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Let me close those, and now let's try to copy something. The real life test. That's the Evo in the window right there. Drive number X, folder number 2, and the main screen is the Pro version. So let me grab some file. This file is you see 20 gigabytes, some kind of MKH file video. Let's do the copy. You can see it's going to 2 gigabyte per second maximum, and stabilized to 1.6, 1.7, and it's done. Let's do something different. Let's find, what can I have here? I have a folder here with my videos and photos. The whole thing weigh 6.7 gigabyte, 36 files. Let's copy. Again, same thing. Very quick. That's what I like it. What if you wanted to compress it to the raw? How fast it will go. I think we take too many files. Oh, no, we didn't. We didn't take the huge file, which is this one, right there, 20 gigabytes. We take about 6 gigabytes, and it's taking about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes to 6 gigabytes. Again, let's do it again without this last, which will delete that. Yeah. This will be to make it accurate. It's a 6.7 gigabyte, and if you want to if you want to compress it, it will take about 4.5. About 4.5 minutes. 440 with this calculation. 440, okay. What if you want to do the same in where's the folder? Oh, god damn it. Okay, let's copy it. Let's copy this to the main screen, which is a Pro version. I will copy this to the main screen. You see, very quick. It's already done. And let's see how fast it will compress it in the Pro version. Compress it. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. Like you can see, there is no difference here. The same time. 4 minutes 40 seconds. Yep. So no differences here in the speeds. very minor differences. I think that's it. The drives are very quick. I like them very much. My computer is very silent right now. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.